In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create these two wood Christmas crafts using these two light up wood cutouts and snowflake cutouts from Hobby Lobby. They both have a light on the inside and a switch on the back for you to turn it on and off. I plan to use the wood snowflakes on the sleigh after we paint it. To start, we will be painting the truck red using Waverly Chalk Paint's Crimson. I ordered all of these wood cutouts online during a sale Hobby Lobby was running a few weeks ago. The truck and sleigh were $8 a piece and the snowflakes were $2.49. So I felt that was a really good deal and that I could turn it into something really cute for the Christmas season. Now we'll paint the trees, and for that I am using moss green with a tiny mix of ink black. I'm mixing the two to give the trees detail. I don't fully mix the two colors together, just add green on one side of your brush and a tiny bit of black on the other side. Then you will want to start from the bottom of your tree and work your way up so that you can create a layered effect. Moving on to painting the wheels. To create a clean line with your paint, slightly load your brush with paint and press firmly on the side that you're trying to create the line on. This will allow you to create that clean line in one go. I'm using Apple Barrel's melted chocolate for the tree trunks. Next, we are going to clean up around the trees. I'm covering those edges with red paint because I feel it looks a little too messy trying to recreate those branches against the truck. While that dries, we will proceed to the sleigh. I'm dry brushing on the pool blue, letting some of the wood show through the paint. Then taking my melted chocolate color and watering that down to brush over the bottom of the sleigh. I wasn't too sold on this at first, but once I added that gold glitter, it all came together very well. Next, I'm painting all of my snowflakes white, and to avoid super messy fingers trying to hold them and paint or hold them on the paper and paint, I put a small piece of tape on the back of them and stuck them to the paper. This held them in place and made it so much easier and less messy to paint. I decided to add a little more white on the sleigh, again just dry brushing so that it doesn't cover the blue or the wood too much. Now we can pop our snowflakes off the paper and just add them to our sleigh. felt the light was too bright showing through the wood cutout designs, so I plan to use the snowflakes to cover that spot and deflect that light just a little bit. I'm using my hot glue gun to attach a few of them throughout the sleigh as well. Overall, I think this one turned out really cute, so that's how I'm going to leave it. Now we can finish up our red truck. I'm adding some highlights to the truck using a very thin paintbrush and slightly watered down white so that it will spread easier. I wanted to add something in the middle of the truck, so I'm using my white acrylic paint pen I got off of Amazon to write out Merry Christmas. I've tried several white paint pens, and this one is by far the best that I've come across. It was not very expensive. It came in a pack with, I think 3 of them, and 3 white paint pens and 3 black paint pens as well. And I'll link that down below if you're interested. Next, I will add a little shade to my text to make it pop and a little easier to read. So I'll be doing that with my thin black paint pen. I still felt like I was missing something, so I added 2 snowflakes to this one as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link down below all the things that I use. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.